Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the main NAT on your TECNO router. So if you want to disable main NAT, the first thing that you want to do is go to your admin page. You can access it by just typing in the IP address. You can usually find it on the back of your router if you haven't changed it. So 192.168.0.1 is the default. So you need to access it through the browser, and after that you might need to log in. So the default password is, let me just show you, it's admin. So the username is admin and the password is also admin. So now let's log in from the home page. So this home page right here, we're gonna go to settings next to the internet section. Then press on APN to go to the APN tab, and here we have main NAT. So enable or disable this option, and once you've done that, press apply to apply your settings, and that will be pretty much it. So let's just wait for it to load. This might take a few seconds. So there we go, the settings have been applied. You might need to restart the device, so let's do that. Let's press yes. And once you've restarted the device, everything should work. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.